What's going on, everybody? How's it going? So today we got a quick guess what's in the bag video. It's a bag from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to do a quick short little guess what's in the bag video. I did pick this up from Amazon. This bag itself is 8¼ inches wide by 9½ inches long, and it's a good, let's see, 3 inches deep. The actual item in the bag is 3½, about 3¾ by 3¾ and what I believe is the box it's in is 7 by 5¼ by 3/4 inch deep or so. Just a quick guess what's in the bag video. It is related to what's sitting over here. That might give you guys some guesses. It's kind of hard to see. Might not even be able to see what's sitting on this tray, but just a quick video. It is for the outside of vehicles, but that's all I got for you guys. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!